Okay. Can you guys see? Today we're gonna make a quick, comforting clam dish. Seriously, it only takes about 5 minutes. For the ingredients, we have your basil, 2 tablespoons of butter, cleaned clams, garlic, shallots, parsley, and white wine. First, you're gonna rough chop your garlic. If you want it a little bit more minced, you can go ahead and do so. Dice up your shallots. Tear up your basil. And cut up your parsley. Then you're gonna take a mini break with some white wine. Cheers, everyone. Heat up your pan on a medium to high heat. Then you're gonna add some olive oil and let that heat up. Once your pan is hot enough, you're gonna add your chopped shallots and mix until you smell the aroma release. This takes about 2 minutes or so. Then you're gonna add your garlic. Lower the heat slightly, that way it doesn't burn the garlic. After that's been done, you can go ahead and add in your clams. Give it a quick stir. Then you're going to add your 1/4 cup of white wine of your choice. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter. This is optional, you can add a pinch of salt, but disclaimer, your clams already have a ton of salt already, so this is not necessary. Crack in some black pepper. Add your basil. And cover that for 3 minutes. Voila, and they are done. It should have opened up and you can give it a little taste to see how that flavor came out and adjust to your liking. Add in the parsley and you can serve now. You guys can serve this on a bed of linguine. I am going to have some rice with it, but again, you can serve it on its own as well. The clam has its own concentrate, so if you'd like, you can add some hot water, and now you got some clam soup. Let's try these clams out, guys. So sweet, so juicy. Eat it with some plain white rice. So the trick is, do you see that juice right there? I'm just gonna scoop it up a little bit. See that? So good. Got the cut of the garlic, the sweetness of the clam, perfect texture. It's not overcooked. Be careful not to overcook it. So good. If you guys enjoyed this content, go ahead and hit hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know if you guys like clams because I love clams. Enjoy! See you guys next time.
Oh, comes again.
Ooh. Guys, if you have leftover soup, just add hot water into the concentrate at the bottom of your like clams and it becomes a really tasty soup. Someone wants clams. Ah! Bye!